friends, the topic for today is Python features. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding makes it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. In today's video, we'll discuss the Python features. Let us start. Welcome to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. If you are not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. The topic for today is Python features. Let us start with the introduction. Python, as we have said, is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. And it has high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding. So because of these features, it is very attractive for rapid application development. And it is also used for scripting or gluing language because it has integrations to connect existing components together. So Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Then Python supports modules and package, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. So code reusability is a very important in object-oriented program. So because of these features, Python supports the reusability. Then Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without charge for all platforms and can be freely distributed. So basically Python is a open source. We'll discuss that when we discuss the features. Then let us go to the first feature, easy to learn and easy to read. Python has very few keywords, simple structure and clearly defined syntax. So this makes it easy for anyone to pick up the language quickly. So it is very easy to learn the language. Then it uses elegant syntax, making the programs you write easier to read. So it makes use of the indent. So that's why the reading is easy. Then let us go to the next feature, free and open source. Python is freely available. You can download it from the link on this website python.org. And here you will also get the tutorial on Python installation. And you can freely use it. There is no need of any license. Secondly, it is an open source. That means its source code is available to public. And you can download it, change it, use it and distribute it. That is the meaning of open source. So that is called as the FLOSS, free, libre and open source software. That is an advantage because if you do programming in Python and you can extend Python and even you can modify your program to any extent, make use of other languages here. Then as the Python community, we are all headed towards one goal, that is bettering Python. So let us contribute to that. Then the next feature is high level language. So here you have to understand Python is a high level language. That means when we are writing program in Python, we do not need to remember the system architecture, nor we need to manage the memory. So the Python's automatic memory management frees you from having to manually allocate memory and free memory in your code. So that is the best feature. You can concentrate on your. Then next feature is interactive mode and ideally. Python has an interactive mode, makes it easy to test short snippets of code. So with the interactive mode, you can just write few lines of code and test them. Integrated development and learning environment is available. So with the help of that, you can edit your program and run it in the ideally. And you can save the programs, make the changes in the program with the help of ideally. Then next, we have the program portability. Most Python programs run unchanged on all computer platforms. So irrespective of the hardware or the operating system. So we call that as a computer platform. So all the programs will run unchanged. And when you are taking Python code between Linux and Windows, it is usually just matter of copying a script code between the machine. Python also offers multiple options for coding portable graphical user interface and database access programs, web-based systems, and more. So all these things are portable. That's why you can take your application any platform. Then even operating system interfaces, including a program launches and directory processing, portable in Python. The next is extensible. Now this buzzword or feature of Python says that Python is extended by adding new modules implemented in a compiled language such as C or C++. That means you can extend Python with the help of the modules you have written in C or C++. And then you can also add low-level modules to Python interpreter. These modules enable programmers to add or customize their tools to work more efficiently. For the advanced users, they can customize their tools and work more efficiently. Then the next feature is embeddable. The embeddable means to embed Python code in other languages. So Python can be embedded into an application to provide programmable interface. Say programmers can embed Python within their C, C++, COM or ActiveX, Corba and Java programs. So when this Python script or code is embedded in these languages, it will give scripting capabilities for the user. That is the embeddable. Then the next feature is large standard library. The Python comes with a large standard library that supports many common programming tasks such as connecting to web servers. So for the net applications, then searching text with regular expression, then reading and modifying. So in addition to that, Python can be extended with both homegrown libraries and vast collection of third-party application support software. Then Python's third-party domain offers tools for website construction, that means website development, and numeric programming. Numeric programming, most of you are using the MATLAB for that. But here the numpy extension, for instance, has been described as a free and more powerful equivalent to MATLAB numeric programming system. Then even serial port access, game development and much more. That's why this large standard library of Python makes it suitable for versatile application. The next feature is object oriented. Okay. A programming language that can model the real world is said to be object. And object oriented focuses on objects, and here the data and functions, they are combined in a class. So Python supports object oriented programming with classes and multiple init. So that's why it is easy to build a object oriented application with Python. Then dynamically typed. Python is dynamically typed language. So what is the meaning of dynamically typed? That means here the type for the variable is decided at the runtime, not in advance. That's why we don't need to specify the type of variable in Python. So we just use the variable, and then at the runtime that will be decided which type of variable. So that is the advantage for beginners, because we don't have to remember the syntax for the type of variable. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications about our future videos. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.